In this video, I'll show you how to change your phone number on your Google Business profile quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Let's begin. Open your preferred browser and go to businessgoogle.com. This is your main hub for managing your business profile. In the top right corner, click Sign In and log in using the Gmail account linked to your business. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Google Business dashboard. If you don't see it right away, you can simply search your business name or type My Business on Google. Then click View Profile to open it. From here, look for the Edit Profile option. This is where you can update your business details like your address, hours, or phone number. Scroll down until you see the phone number section. Then click the pencil icon next to it. Now, choose the correct country code. Enter your new phone number and double check that it's correct. Once everything looks good, click Save. And just like that, your updated number will appear on your profile. And that's it. You successfully updated your phone number on Google Business profile. Keeping this info accurate helps your customers reach you without hassle. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick business management guides.